there, and welcome back to another episode of Literacy Lunch. We're going to be talking about something new today. It's going to be managing behavior, so stay tuned. Sometimes it can be tricky to keep your child engaged for an extended period of time. They start asking questions such as how much longer or when can I take my break. This can be very distracting and take time away from the lesson. The trick is to prevent those questions from arising at all. Token economies are a great way to keep students on task. They're simple and easy to use and can be used in every lesson. Here is an example of one. In order to start using the token economy, you're going to want to introduce the concept to your student first. Ask them the question, what are you working for today? For this example, our student will be working for their break. In order for the student to take their break, they need to have all 5 stars down here. Once a student has collected all 5 stars, then they're able to take their break. There's many different ways that a student can earn their stars. Maybe they earn a star after every activity they complete. Or maybe they get a star every 10 minutes that they remain sitting in their chair and paying attention. Since you know your student the best, you'll be the one deciding how they get their stars. You can also get creative with it. It doesn't have to be stars that your student is working for. Maybe your student likes superheroes, so you can have them work for superheroes instead. Or maybe you have an underwater theme token economy. The possibilities are endless, and you're free to customize it however you'd like. Eventually, the goal of a token economy is to fade them out. Over time, we want to expand the amount of time it takes for your student to receive a star. That way, their attention span goes up, and the lesson is interrupted less frequently. It's important to note that this behavioral strategy can take time to implement. Your student may take a couple lessons to catch on, but don't give up, they'll get there. If you decide to try out the token economy, we would love to know how it went, so let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel below for more fun and exciting activities that you can do with your student. Thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Literacy Lunch, and I'll catch you next time.